We have already learned how to arrange numbers in ascending order. What do we mean by ascending order? Well, ordering the numbers, that is, when we order the numbers or arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest number, then we say that the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now, in our everyday lives, we do need to arrange things in some order. So, if you can see how beautiful these ducks look when they are arranged from smallest to the largest. And this arrangement is called ascending order. So, we can arrange the numbers in ascending order, like here, right from the smallest number, which is 3, moving on to 7, which is bigger than 3, then 17, which is bigger than 7, then 22, which is bigger than 17, and then 56, which is bigger than 22. Now, what's the exact opposite of this? So, this is arranging the numbers from smallest to the largest. We can also order the numbers or arrange the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. This arrangement is called descending order. So, when we arrange the numbers starting from the largest number to the smallest number, we say that we have arranged the numbers in descending order. Like, see, these ducks arranged from the largest to the smallest duck. So, this is an arrangement of numbers in descending order. So, 56 is bigger than 22, 22 is bigger than 17, 17 is bigger than 7, and 7 is bigger than 3. So, these are the numbers arranged in descending order. Now, can you arrange these numbers in descending order? That is, from the largest to the smallest. So, let's use those tricks again. What was the first trick? The first trick was to count the number of digits. The number with more number of digits is greater. So, let's count the number of digits. In this number, I have 3 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits. So, all the numbers with 3 digits will be greater than all the numbers with 2 digits. Now, I need to write from biggest to the smallest. So, let me write down the 3-digit numbers first. So, I have 412. I have 339. This is a 2-digit number, so it will go later. 399. 491. Then I have 2424 and 9292. So these are the numbers arranged according to the number of digits. But still it is not arranged in descending order. So we use the next trick, which is compare the first digit. If the first digit is greater, the number is greater. So when the number of digits are equal, I need to compare the first digits. So let me compare the first digits. I have 4, 3, 3, 4. So observe that I am only comparing the first digits of the 3-digit numbers, because this applies only when the number of digits are equal. I cannot compare the first digit of this with the first digit of this, because these are 2-digit numbers. So I have my first digits as 3 and 4. Now the numbers with 4 as the first digit will be greater than the numbers with 3 as the first digit. So let us write the numbers with 4 as first digit first. So 4, 1, 2, 4, 9, 1. Then I'll write the numbers with 3 as first digit. 3, 3, 9 and 3, 9, 9. And then I will compare the 2-digit numbers. So I have 2 here and 9 here. Which is bigger? 9. So 92 will come before 24. So I have 92 and then 24.
So this is what I have. Now I have arranged the numbers according to the number of digits and also according to the first digit, but still it's not arranged in descending order. So I use the next trick, which is compare the next digit. If the next digit is greater, the number is greater. When does this hold, or when do we need to apply it? When the first digits are equal. So if I consider these two, the first digits are equal, that is 4. So I compare the next digits, which are 1 and 9. Now between 1 and 9, 9 is bigger. So 491 will be bigger than 412. So it will come before 412. Next, I compare these two. So the first digits are 3 and 3. So I go to the next digits, which are 3 and 9. 9 is bigger than 3. So 399 is bigger than 339. And then I have 92 and 24. So this is what we have. These are the numbers arranged in descending order. That is from the largest to the smallest number. So 491 is greater than 412. 412 is greater than 399, which is greater than 339. 339 is greater than 92 and 92 is greater than 24. So the numbers decrease as we move towards right. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order. So this is how, using these tricks, you can arrange a given set of numbers in descending order. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.